Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be talking about how to create a book cover. Now, an ebook cover is an essential part of your book. Now, you should be able to create a cover that resonates with what the content you are trying to create. Now, this is canva.com. So the moment you just click on canva.com, you'll be taken to this interface. Now, this is the interface of Canva. Now you see presentation, social media, video, marketing, office, and more. Now just come to search engine. Just write book cover. Now these are different book covers that you can pick. Now I've said before that Canva is a free and a paid website. Now there are some that you see this $sign here. You need to pay for it to be able to use it. Now if not, there will be a watermark on your design. Now you can start from a blank book cover, or you can pick from this and just start editing. I just want to start from a blank cover. Now I just want to go to the just copy it. Now this is a blank cover. Now where I can just simply start from. If I actually don't want to start from here, I can just click on this and then start designing. It's a drag and drop site. Let me try to paste. Now just try to upload the image I've designed. Look at it, still uploading. All I just need to do is let it fit. Now set the image as background. All I just need to do is download the image. Now you have the right to download as JPEG or PNG. Let me download it as PNG. And we also want to download it as JPEG. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new, because I'll be talking about how to create amazing designs using Canva. I also talk about how to grow your social media platform with content creation. I also talk about how to create videos for your YouTube channel. I talked about anything that grows online businesses and so much more. Now all I just need to do is come to this book Mockup here, adazin.com, pick up, let me see, I want to use this. I want to use this template. Then all I just need to do is to put my email. Then upload the cover I just downloaded. Let me pick on pick on this. Then send my cover. Then they send this cover to me on my email. So let me try to log in my email. Now let me go to the next step. I can go to this site here called doityourselfbookcovers.com. Mockup, 3D Mockup. And the first thing I need to do is select what kind of, let me say I want to use this. Now let me pick up different one. Then I'll go to next, then browse, get the cover, and I'll upload. So let's give it time as it's uploading. You can see the percentage here. Download your free markup, so you can actually download it. Now it's downloading. You can actually see it from here. It's downloading. Now from this other site, all I just need to do is come down. It's 100% now. Then click on next. This is a PNG or page. I can just choose PNG. Then you can see it's downloading here. Now that just okay. Let's take a look at it here. Let's see. If I download it as Japan. Sorry, the network seems to be slow. Now you can actually come to Canva and pick any of these templates. Let's say you want to use this other template to design your ebook. As this is still downloading. Trying to see what happened. Just since the network is slow. Okay, now we can actually view this, and you can see our book cover. You can just simply see how you can download your book 3D markup. After downloading it here on Canva, all you just need to do is go to this site called adazin.com, or you can go to doityourselfbookcovers.com. I will put a link down on description where you can have access to it. Now let's say we want to use this template. All you just need to do is edit this. Okay, let me see. I want just to edit it and say guide on poem creation. And let me just I want to use poem here. I can decide to change the font of this by clicking on this, picking whatever font I want. You see, and all I just need after doing this, I can start to add another page if I actually want to. But that is just all for today's tutorial. If you like this video and you actually want to get more insight on how to create book cover on Canva, you can actually email me. I'll put my email on the video description. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this video. See you on my next creation on how to create email marketing using MailChimp. Check the video at the upside. Thank you.